In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone camera. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Now, there's a few different fixes you can try for when your camera is not responding or if the camera screen has gone black. Now, the first kind of fix that I recommend you to try is to force restart your iPhone, just like force restarting your computer or TV. In 95% of cases, this removes all of the temporary glitches. So to restart your iPhone or force restart it, all you have to do is click on the volume up, then the down, and then press and hold onto the power button. So I'll just go do that now. So volume up, down, and then press and hold onto the power button. And I'm going to keep pressing onto this button until I see the Apple logo. So first the screen will go black, and then after around 5 seconds, the screen will go to the Apple logo. So just give that a couple more moments. And as you can see, we now have the Apple logo. And just quickly, if you do decide to try this step, you will not lose any kind of data, photos, or apps. Everything will be exactly as it was. So just give this a couple of more moments. Usually it only takes around 10 to 15 seconds. And now the iPhone is starting up again. So now you can go and try your camera app again, and hopefully that's resolved the issue. Now, if it hasn't, the next thing I recommend you to try is to go into your settings. Now from here, you just want to go down to General and then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you want to Reset, and then you just want to go Reset All Settings. Now, if you do decide to do this, this will kind of reset kind of any maybe settings you've done for camera limitations or anything along those lines. So you can go and reset all settings, and then hopefully that will get your camera up and running again. Now, the next thing I recommend you to try is to actually go into the screen time, as in some cases, this can actually kind of cause the camera to not work. Now, you can do this by going into settings again, going back to the home page, and then scrolling down to screen time. Now, if you've got screen time enabled, then you just want to go to content and privacy restrictions. Now in here, you just want to go to allowed apps. So right here we have the camera. So for my iPhone, it's turned on. However, if this is highlighted in gray, you just want to turn that to green, and that will then go and allow you to use the camera. Now, the next thing I recommend you to try is to actually go open the camera app itself. Now, this might sound like a little bit of a strange kind of solution, but what you want to do is kind of toggle the back camera and the forward camera on and off again a few different times, and hopefully that will kind of resolve the issue of the camera working again. So the next thing I recommend you to try, and again, this one does sound a little bit strange, but what you want to do is actually press and hold around the camera kind of lenses on the back camera if that's where the camera is not working. So you can try this, and then also you want to try it on the front as well. Now, the main reason why we do this is that sometimes if you've dropped your iPhone, the camera connections can actually dislodge and disconnect, causing the camera just to not work at all. So now that we've done that, that will hopefully bring the camera back to life. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing you can do is to just pull up from the bottom of your iPhone until you see the kind of different apps that are open. Now, for the camera app, you just want to go and slide up, and that will close the app, and then you can go and open the app again. Now, that should hopefully fix the issues, guys. If your camera is still not working, the last thing you can try is then go back into your settings, go back to the home page, go to General, tap on Software Update, and then you just want to see if there's any new iOS updates for your iPhone. In some cases, iOS updates can cause kind of glitches and bugs for certain parts of the iPhone, including the camera. So hopefully there'll be an update that resolves that issue if you're still seeing the camera that is not working. And lastly, if the camera is still not working at all, then unfortunately it actually might be a hardware issue on your iPhone. If it is, hopefully your iPhone is still in warranty, so you can get a replacement part, or they can just replace the iPhone altogether. So hopefully this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.